4 days have passed, but Kamla Casey's tears have not stopped. Ever since reports emerged on social media that her younger brother, legendary mountaineer Nirmal Purja, was among the 10 climbers who went missing on Pakistan's Broad Peak, disbelief gave way to grief. Every day since then, she has walked to the ruins of their ancestral home where memories of a childhood spent playing together now echo through the silence.
आशा थियो भाइसँग भेटौँला कुनै ठाउँमा भन्ने आशा थियो अहिले भयो 2-3 दिन भयो अब यस्तै सुन्निया छ मोबाइल हेर्न सकेको छैन उसको सबै देखिन्छ बोलेको सुनिन्छ एकरो मात्र सुन्नियो दोहोरो हुँदैन भाइसँग
The Tita village in Annapurna Rural Municipality 3, Dana of Myagdi is mourning his loss. All of Nirmal's relatives, childhood friends and neighbors have fallen silent.
जिद्दी थियो उले भनेको कुरा हुनै पर्थ्यो उले मुखबाट बोल्यो भने उलाई त्यो कुरा पुरा हुनै पर्ने अ यसो नगर्ने बाबु यसो भनेको मान्ने थिएन उले पुरा गरेरै छोड्ने यता पहाडतिर जानु पर्यो भने नजा बाबु लोटिन्छ भने गएरै छोड्ने उकालो चढेरै छोड्ने त्यस्तो थियो अनि उले गंगाटाहरू खोज्थ्यो सानोमा गंगाटाहरू खोज्ने त्यो के भन्छ एउटा किरा हुन्छ माउरी जस्तो त्यस्तो खोज्ने झिमरी यसलाई खोज्ने हैन बाबु टोक्छ भने मुख त्यो उसको के भन्छ त्यो पोलाहरू हुन्छ नि त्यो देख्यो भने मुक्कीले हान्न जाने अनि टोक्छ नि
A banner reading mountaineer Nirmal Purja felicitation ceremony still hangs on Kamla's house, commemorating his public honor in Beni on March 6, 2025 for his mountaineering world records. Despite his busy expedition schedule, Purja often visited Dana by helicopter while travelling between Dholagiri and Annapurna and continued to visit the village with his brothers, according to his friend Ramesh Purja, Ward Chair of Annapurna Rural Municipality 3.
एक दिन हामीले शोक मनाउने भनेर गाउँपालिकाले पनि सार्वजनिक बिदा घोषणा गरेको छ र साथै अध्यक्षज्यूले उक्त घोषणामा यो उहाँको चाहिँ एउटा स्तम्भ मूर्ति बनाउने भन्ने पनि चाहिँ पत्रमा लेख्नु भएको छ.
The ground rescue team had reached Purja's body at an altitude of about 5,700 meters along with 3 other climbers which have been brought to Camp 1, the Alpine Club Pakistan announced.